decided to include in a little intro for this vlog, mainly because it's actually a whole month vlog. Like, this vlog is what I vlogged in the whole month of August. So literally you're gonna see about Hurricane Harvey, me and Corey working out, what else, me going home to Cleveland. It's a whole bunch of stuff y'all gonna see in this vlog. So thank you to everybody who was concerned, who prayed for us, who contacted me to see how my family was doing. We're amazing. We're not in Houston anymore. We're actually currently in Indiana. Yeah, I just wanted to just come on here and talk to you guys and let you guys know where it's tea. Me and Corey and Callie have been doing good. We both got jobs. Callie will be starting school next week, a new school. So many good things are happening, guys. Me and Corey just had our 1-year anniversary, and Callie just had her first birthday. So you guys, I did vlog, I did record, so you guys are gonna see that. And I'm just really excited that I'm finally back, getting in the groove of everything, getting my life together after that tragic event. But life keeps going, and you have to just make light of it. So like I said before, thank you so much to everybody who contacted us and let us ask to make sure we're okay. Thank you to the new subbies. Hey y'all, I see y'all every day in my notifications. I know I tell y'all this all the time, but I'm gonna keep saying it. And yeah, guys, so I'm not gonna ramble too much. I just wanted to come on here and intro, and let's get on into the vlog.
You're not in my heart. Desire is where the heart is. You gotta get this. The desire is where the heart is. You gotta get this. It's gonna come and play with that rib in a minute. Look at the same scripture, but look at the Message translation. Give you what your heart desires, accomplish your plans. Once God gives you the desire in your heart, whoever's in your heart will come into your life to help you accomplish your what? Sounds like a helper to me.
Y'all, I'm tired and my stomach hurt from eating before I worked out. I advise you not to do that. I advise you to wait a few hours before you work out after you eat, because my stomach's cramping and I couldn't do what I wanted to do, and I got tired really fast. But yeah, I'm gonna go because my phone is on 4%. So I'll see you guys later. Guys, sorry I look like a hot ass mess as usual. My hair is not done. My hair will be getting done Saturday. Trust me, it'll be getting done. But I just want to come in here and say sorry that y'all not seeing the vlog yesterday because first of all, your girl been working, so I ain't had no time. But I'm gonna try and get it out today. I'm gonna go edit it today. Try to get it out today. And then the vlog Sunday. So yeah, guys, I've been trying my hardest. artist. I've been working every day.
It's been so hard for me. But I'm gonna focus on the road real quick. I just want to sit here and say that to you guys, and I'll see you guys later.
Yes, Kelly! Look! Say hey, baby! You say hey! Say what y'all doing? Say what y'all doing? Say, did you miss me?
Hold up, what's good? What's good? It's your boy Corey Jones. You already know, aka Corey Bapes. I'm with Bay, aka fashionkillameek. And if y'all don't know, that's her right here, the most beautiful. You see she going in. Chug.
Stop.
Dominique is pulling up. We just got the text confirmation. We about to link up. You know what I'm saying? It's date night. I love Bay.
I love you too.
Callie is with her papa. Give me a kiss. And, you know, I'm sipping off the Corey Bates cut. Hold up. Shout out Associate Records and Big Tuck. Bang, hold up. It's going down.
Hey guys, I have not talked to you guys. Other than that, y'all got my hair done. You can see I don't look like a hot mess no more. I've been working. What else is new? I need to get this vlog up for y'all. And nothing. But Callie starts school next week, you guys. I went up there today, and yeah, she starts next Monday. I'm so excited for her. Like, y'all, she didn't even want to leave. Like, she did not want to leave at all. So that's how I know she's gonna love it. And she has a familiar face there, which makes it even better. I met the teachers. It was just great. So, unfortunately, y'all won't be able to see stuff like that in the vlogs. I'll probably try and show me dropping off Callie, but I don't want to record anyone else's kids. So we'll see. But other than that, guys, I love it. But I need to go over her paperwork and fill it out and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I just want to come here and speak to y'all, say hey, and let me show y'all a little munchkin. Hey, baby! What you doing? The most? I see you pulling that stuff on the floor. Look at your mess already. We ain't been home 2.5 seconds yet. We're already messing up. I know.
What's this? Looks like Ellie has another batch of delicious biscuits. If only you'd gone to her tea party, I'm sure you could have had some.
Well, yeah, guys, I just wanted to show y'all Callie, but I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow, because I'm not really doing anything else but cleaning up and getting ready to get up early tomorrow. So yeah, I have a pretty busy week. I work every single day again. So yeah, I think I do. I work today, I work tomorrow, I work Wednesday. Oh, I'm off Thursday, so no, I don't work every day. I think I'm off Thursday. And I work Friday and Saturday. But anywho, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. You got milk all on your face, mamas. Can I see your teeth? Teeth? No. Let me see. I see you too.
Yo, what's going on? What's going on, YouTubers? It's your boy, Corey Bates, you know, aka Corey Jones. I'm on my way to Ohio right now, flying out of IAH. About to go to Cleveland. My great grandmother passed. She in a better place now. I'm about to go link up, you know, we about to bury her. She with the angels now, you know, I got a guardian angel looking over me now. And I got a couple guardian angels actually. But God is good. We're making this trip happen. weird, man. About to be away from my wife and my baby for 5 days. Like, it's gonna make our relationship stronger, ain't that right, babe? So it is what it is. I'll be sure to vlog while I'm there. And thank you guys for supporting. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.
Hey guys, so yeah, as y'all seen, Corey left. He's gone. He won't be back till Tuesday. So yeah, I'm a single parent for 5 days. I'm sad. I'm not gonna cry though. I'm a big girl. Right now, me and Callie are freaking stuck in like stop traffic. Like it's not even moving. Like it's not even moving, y'all. And I'm stuck, and I'm just like, bro, I'm ready to get my baby out this hot heat, get in the house, relax. We're not going nowhere else. Yeah, so I'm just trying to get home. I may stop and get some ice cream, so me and my baby can eat some ice cream and have a girls few days. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here and talk to y'all and let y'all know I'm good. We're good. You know, we're dealing with these deaths. But we're gonna be fine. That's life. I am a little salty, a little upset that I'm not in Cleveland too, because I do miss my family a lot. I didn't get to mourn with my family. I didn't get to grieve nothing. So I'm kind of like jealous that Corey gets to go and grieve with his family and stuff. But I mean, what can you do? I have to work and I have to get this money, so is something I have to deal with. But anyway, guys, I'm not gonna bore y'all to death. I keep forgetting the freaking radio in my background. But yeah, y'all, I'll show y'all Callie when we get to the house, but she gotta take a bath because she's sweating. I'm sweating. It's hot. It's AC barely working because we're not moving. So yeah, guys, I'll definitely see you guys when we get to the house. Hey guys, so we're home now. So we've been home for a few minutes now. I just had to change Callie, strip her down, let her cool off, because she's going to take a bath later tonight. And y'all, really, I just getting her book bag together for school. My baby starts school Monday, y'all. I can't believe it. I'm excited for her because she's with some kids she knows. So, yeah, but I'm putting her name on stuff so they know it's Callie. She's taking her Callie book bag. I have to put some diapers in here, 2 ready-made bottles, of which, of course, I'll do the morning that I take her Monday. She only takes 2 bottles because she only has a morning bottle and an afternoon bottle, and then her night bottle she takes at home at night before she goes to bed. So, yeah, guys, I feel like I'm out of breath. But, yeah, I'm really lonely. I feel like I'm missing something. Like, you know how Corey's at work or Corey's like with his friends or something feels different, but knowing he's like going to a whole nother state, it feels weird. Like I feel like I'm missing something. So to know that I have to deal with this for 5 days, y'all, oh my god. So yeah, I'm pretty sad.
Yeah, so we landed. I'm here, Cleveland. What's up? I flew into what's it called? I flew into Cleveland Hopkins. I usually fly in Akron, Canton. When I got here, it's pretty dead, but I made it, and that's what's up. So, yep. A pillar of strength right now for my family and everything we're going through with the loss of my great grandmother, and just keep me blessed. Traveling mercies.
And attend to children. For your safety, please hold onto the handrail and attend to children. For your safety.
Hold up, it's your boy Corey Bates, man. I already touched down in the C-Town. You already know what's going down, man. Holla at your boy while I'm in the city. 216, show me some love. Associate Records, Mopuccino. You already know, man. Hold up, it's your boy, Corey Bates, man. What up? Big Tuck, riding pulled up, like hold up, got my dough up. It's the Corey B from the AVE. Gotta get my cheese. Hold up, yes indeed. Hold up, double swag. Oh, Snapchat, holla back. Where your dollars at? Yeah, I'm gualin' that. If you try to holler, I might have to holler back. Hold up, man. On the land is where I'm at. Hold up. Yeah, I hold it down. It's on my brain just like a hat. That money on my mind is on my brain just like a hat. If it ain't money, then I'm looking like, what is that? They be like, you rap? Corey Babes is back? I ain't even dancing, but the snap. Hold up, I ain't dancing. My jeans ain't real skinny. It's Corey beat them dead guys. Yeah, I'm getting plenty. Call me Mr. Benji. Yeah, the beat stand for them bands. Cutting through them bands. Corey Edwards scissor hands. Hey, these couldn't understand. You know we gotta get it, man. Yeah, this is the land.
Why act a fool?
The land. The land.
Why act a fool? You know it's back to school. So how my trapping dudes? All these dudes. Around with my jewels. Around with my dudes. Like doo-doo.
Oh, I pull up like, oh, yeah, I'm rocking drugs. Yeah, I got them babies like it's back to school. Corey B, oh, yeah, the pool. Your name, what is that? I'm like, who? And I'm like, where? Corey don't care. Stare. Like Ric Flair. Man, I'm like the mayor. And I'm like the president. Cause I need them present. Who check out my bezzy? I just wanna roll it. Let me hit my dad. Hold up, Corey Babes, hit him with the dance. Hold up, man. Hold up, roll up, man. I called the roll up, man. You know he pulled up slow-mo, man.
Hey, hold up. That's Corey Babes,
We play security.
It's your boy Corey Babes. Let's go. I got money, I got dough, I got hundreds, and they wanna move it up right up every time. We love street. It's like let's go. Come on, Corey, let's go. Man, what we cheating on the building, Corey Babes, you do it. Turn it up.
And then I'll cut this piece right here for Chad.
See, everybody knows that. You know that. Save me a piece for tomorrow. I said, well, I don't know. She said, Chad's here. I said, oh. Christina said Chad.
This is for all of us, and then that's Chad's piece right there.
Yeah. Well, guys, y'all are more than welcome. Here we
Go
go.
ahead, grab cookie, grab some cookie.
And this
Let's go.
And technically, if you can't get that person's attention, that means they will never see you. Doesn't matter if you get your hair done, get a haircut, do this, do new clothes. I can't. Listen, this next 3 weeks gonna be for the big boys and big girls. But it has to be a spark. It has to be chemical. Look at Genesis 29, 16 through 18. Genesis 29, 16 through 18. It has to be that. You cannot manufacture that. I've heard people say, at first I wasn't attracted to my mate, but then over time, I guess those would be the exception, but certainly not the rule. I'm sorry. No, when I saw him, I saw her, I was attracted. You just gotta have that. I'm not buying it. I'm not saying there's some people out there. And I tell you this here, I'm not saying there's people out there who's not married to people that at first they were not attracted to. But I guarantee you, it took a lot of work.
Good morning, guys. It's Monday. I just got out the shower. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired, y'all. I'm so tired. But it's Callie's first day of school. I'm about to we have to leave out of here by 6:15. So I have about an hour to get her bottles prepared for her little baby food in her bag. Y'all, I'm tired. Callie took her bath last night, so I'm just gonna wash her face and stuff and put her clothes on. I'm gonna try and vlog it because Corey wants me to vlog everything, but I can't vlog every single thing. I'm just really not in the mood. I'm like still asleep. And I have to go to work at 7 today. I was off, but I picked up a shift, so I'm gonna do that. I don't know what time I get off yet, so I want to get off early so I can come back home and go to sleep, then pick up Callie. But I don't know what I want to do. I don't know if I want to pick up Callie and then we can just both come home and go to sleep so I don't have to leave back out. Y'all, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, guys, I hope you're having a great day whatever time you're watching this vlog. And yeah, I'm about to go get my baby up. So let me finish getting myself together. So I was going to get myself together by 5:30. And then the rest of the time, I'll get Callie together. I'm going to make her bottles and stuff. I don't know if I want her to have a bottle right now, usually when she first wakes up. But by the time we get to the daycare, she should want it at 7. So I'm just like, she's going to have it at 7. So, yeah, guys, I will see you guys in a minute. Hey y'all, so I am running a bit late behind. It was more stuff that I did have to get together for Callie. I don't know if I need to get the oatmeal stuff together, so I just got that together just in case. I just don't want my baby to be hungry while she's out there when I'm at work. But I'm about to get her up. Sorry I didn't record that, but that'll be fine. So I'm gonna get Callie together. I showed her her outfit already. So yeah. I'm out of breath, y'all. I feel like I'm doing the most. But yeah, I'm about to change her diaper, wash her face, and get her together. It's not really good lighting for me to record me getting Callie ready. So, good morning, baby. Let me show y'all her. Good morning, baby. Good morning. You ready for school? Yeah. Y'all, it's really dark as you can see. With the camera facing this way, so that's why I don't think it's gonna really be good for me to record Callie getting dressed because it's really horrible lighting. So we'll see you guys when we I'll show you guys when she gets up. She ready to come to mommy. Hi, baby. Hi, mama. Hi, pretty. You guys, Callie's in daycare. Like, this is unreal. I'm a little sad, man. My baby's in school, but y'all, she ain't cry. I ain't cry. We G's out here. So now I'm on my way to work. My bad, y'all. I'm on my way to work, and y'all, I'm a little hurt. My baby didn't cry for me. yeah, she didn't cry for her mama. Yeah, she didn't cry for her mama or nothing, y'all. So, yeah, but I'm gonna get to work and then I'll come back to y'all and talk to y'all about how I feel. Yeah, so I know I totally forgot to come back on the vlog and talk to y'all and tell y'all. I think my reaction or how I felt about Callie going to school, yeah, like I'm really happy for her. I'm really excited. She wasn't even thinking about me, y'all. The director grabbed her and took her to the bag and gave her to the teacher. And while I had handled some paperwork and stuff, and Callie wasn't really pressed. Like, she was like, okay, you know, the normal, bye mommy, you know, you dropping me off. It kind of made me feel bad, like she didn't want to cry for me, but I guess it's a good thing that she's not that she's used to getting dropped off, but that it's good that she's kind of like independent, like, okay, I know my mommy's gonna come later, so I'll see my mommy later, you know, something like that. So that's what I'm excited that she's actually in that state of mind right now. She see other kids, she wants to play, she see Cam, and it's just like, oh well, fun. So I got my friend, so bye mom. Like, it's kind of like that. I'm just like, my baby. But I was gonna pick her up when I got off work earlier, but my mom was like, no, let her play, so I'm gonna pick her up later. So I'm taking this time out to like relax. I'm cleaning right now, like deep cleaning. Something I can't really do when I have Callie, and now that I have the energy to do it, then I'm just like, let me just do it while I got the energy and while I'm motivated to do it. So that's what I'm doing. And yeah, guys, so I just wanted to come on here and see y'all. I'm about to put some music on. I was like watching TV and cleaning, but now I'm ready for some music. So I'm about to listen to some music, and I'm gonna pick up Callie in about 2 hours. Whenever I'm done cleaning is when I'm gonna pick up Callie. So if it's an hour, I'm gonna pick her up. But I really think I'll pick her up around 3. So you know, that's my favorite number. So, but yeah, guys, let's see. What do I want to listen to? I always go to It's Lit. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to just go to the music that I like to listen to or what. Y'all, if y'all haven't heard it, by the time y'all see this little this little vloggy vlog, y'all gonna be like, girl, we heard that already. Listen, oh, it's playing in there. If you know me, you know why. This is my song. Y'all, somebody rushing me to freaking hurry up and get to the airport. He showed it's taking forever to come on. It's hot, y'all. I just want to say that. Who's excited to go to school today, huh? Baby loves school, y'all, but I can't really show y'all inside, so I'll see y'all later. But y'all, it's really dark and scary back here because it's like in the cut, but it's an amazing school, guys, and it's a private school, so of course, you know, I'm spending some money to come home from school, so I'm working my tail off doing it. So I'm like, let me come on the vlog and show y'all how early I had to come here. I had to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, y'all, just to get here. But yeah, so I'm on my way to work, and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I just realized that I have not even vlogged, talked to y'all, did anything for the last few days. I just been working non-stop. But little do y'all know, I just want to come on here and let y'all know that I said that we were going to have a category 4 hurricane, which didn't happen. I talked to my girl Dominique, and she explained to me how these situations work and what to do and what not to do, and she reassured me and made me feel so much better. And it's the next day and nothing really happened. We're just really getting the rain and the winds, but the other part of Texas is getting the flooding and the hurricanes and stuff like that. I did hear it's supposed to go back to the Gulf and come back, so we shall see what happens in the next few days. But I do want to stay and keep you guys updated, vlog it about my life, because it's something that is happening in my life. So luckily the power didn't go out. It has been flickering, but it hasn't went out. So I'm about to like cook real quick. So we'll have some food just in case the lights and power do go out. We'll have some food to eat. And yeah, guys, so I just wanted to come in here and let you guys know what's going on. I want to say hey and welcome to my new subbies that I've been getting lately. I've noticed I've been saying that a lot because I've noticed I've been a lot of subbies coming up on my email. So hey guys, and yeah, so I'm in here making chicken and rice and broccoli cheddar type sides. And yeah, I'm about to go back in here and cook, and I'll see you guys when Kelly and Corey wakes up. Good morning, guys. So I fell out yesterday, y'all. I was so freaking tired from just working and doing everything. So I finally got some time to rest. So I have the same shirt on, but anyway, I want to show you guys, like, my job closed. Both of my jobs closed again today. So I'm gonna show you why. I wish y'all could really see. Wish y'all can't really see. But that's all water, guys. Like, I mean, y'all can see, sort of. Where the light hits, it's starting to flood. All over there. Can't really see it back there, but you can see a lot more up here. And it's been doing this all day and all night. And this morning, it's like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Hasn't stopped yet. Hey guys, so the rain is still freaking coming down. I forgot to even come back on the vlog, y'all. I have really been uninspired to even come back on the vlogs and talk to y'all because it's so freaking boring and whack. But I'm just chilling in my clothes. Second day off work. Tomorrow's supposed to be a third day. I know that Burlington is closed, but Academy, I'm not sure. They said they'll let us know in the morning. But for right now, Burlington I don't have to worry about, but Academy may be open after work at 8. Cali school is closed, so I don't know how I'm going to go about it. I don't know if Corey's job is closed as well. But, y'all, it's still raining. Let me see if I can show y'all what it looks like. Y'all, Corey is out there in this freaking rainstorm, doing the most. Here's little Callykins. Hey, Mommy. Say hey. Say hey, peoples. Come on, get up, baby. Get up. Come on. Stop being lazy and get up. Jesus. Say hey, mamas. You're so cute. So, oh, y'all, it's slowed down now. It ain't really much to see, but y'all, it's not flooding over here. But a lot of my friends are flooded. So, it's really scary, and I feel like I'm really blessed that I don't have to deal with that. I can still see the ground. It's not like a pond or anything over here. Let me just show y'all. So as you can see, it's raining, but you know, that's the only, y'all, it's the same goddamn on puddle y'all see when it rains all the time. So yeah, it's not that bad over here. It's really not. It was this morning, as y'all saw, but it's not that bad today. It's not that bad right now. What you talking about? Yeah, you show your teeth. You show your big girl. No, don't hit them. Say sorry. You say sorry? Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Hey. This is what my crazy munchkin does. Beats on the windows. Stains up the glass. Terrorizes the house and puts everything on the ground and does the most. So yeah, I just came on here to let y'all know what's going on. No, ma'am. And oh yeah, my bad. And I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow or tonight and let you guys know the verdict of who's going to work. Y'all will probably see in the next clip. I'm not sure. But yeah. I can't take this. I can't take this. I need to go to work. I need to make money. I can't make money if I'm sitting at home for 3 days straight. God, I can't do this. sick as hell. I done been throwing up from both ends. I don't know if I caught a virus. My mom and my dad like, are you pregnant? I doubt it. But y'all know they predicted it the last time. And bitch, I am not trying to be pregnant. No, ma'am. I really think I got like a stomach virus because I'm weak and I don't feel good, guys. I don't feel good. So, I'm on my hair. I have not been taking care of it as I should be because of the stupid storms and stuff. But, I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. This rain is draining me. I miss work. My job was canceled again. And, Academy said to come if you can, but it wasn't mandatory for people to come, so I didn't go because I don't feel good. I was going to go to it because Callie's school is closed all the way to the 5th, so she'll be with Asia. During the week, like tomorrow, I'm going to work, so I'm not about to be missing another day of work. And then Corey's supposed to be leaving Thursday, y'all, so I don't even know how that's going to even work with the freaking airport's closed, so he'll know if his flight's canceled soon, hopefully. It probably would have never let him book if it was, so I don't know. But yeah, guys, I just want to come in here and say, hey, let y'all know that I'm okay. We did get like a little leak in our roof. I will show y'all. I mean, not a leak, but a print leak. It hurt my hand. Okay, yeah, I'll show y'all in a minute. Oh, y'all hear that wind, baby. Corey at work. He tried it. Probably best that I stayed home anyway. But I'm gonna go text Dominique and see how she doing. And I will see you guys later. About to go explore.
We about to explore Hurricane Harvey. I'm a storm chaser right now. We're reporting live straight from Houston, Texas. We're right in the middle of the eye of Hurricane Harvey.
Oh my God.
And we're gonna see what the storm is all about.
Yo, I feel a lot better than I did, as y'all seen me earlier. I probably looked all pale and a mess.
There's more water right there.
We're about to go see what's going on out here. Because both my jobs keep asking if I can make it to work, but I don't want to make a promise and I'm flooded in, so we're about to go see, so let's go. Well, you know not to be on the end, because that's where all the water stays.
It's flooded.
No.
It's gotta be flooded.
Because it's going down. Well, I can't go to work. How they getting out of it?
I don't know.
Look at this car.
Why would I go? You want me to go around?
No, I'm saying, like, do he not see it say road closed?
Yeah, you want me to go up there like he did?
No, I don't want to get stuck. Ooh, maybe we should have went and looked. And then turned around. Yeah. Y'all, it's really bad out here. I mean, it's not
Did you get the road closed on?
Yeah, I did. Like, I don't know how I'm supposed to get to work if the...
I'm gonna make a right on,
yeah, I don't know how I'm supposed to be getting to work if I'm blocked. So we're about to try another route to see, because, I mean, there's no way Callie could even go to school because the thing's blocked. So...
Right, it's that one road closed.
Because of the hill.
But
it's not as bad as the pictures are over here, but it's bad.
It's definitely bad.
Like all this is, let me try.
Like
Hey guys, so I decided, by the way, I feel much better than I did yesterday. I feel much better than I did. Okay, now that I won't be getting rudely interrupted again, so yeah, I feel a lot better than I did yesterday. I was in so much pain, y'all. I can't even tell y'all what was wrong with me. But I feel much better, and I decided to clean up a little bit. So I went in my closet. I was watching some organizing closet videos, and I'm like, maybe I can organize my stuff and Callie's stuff and hubby's stuff. I go into the front room closet, y'all. It's leaking. I'm like, what the heck is that smell? And no telling how long it's been leaking. Let me see if y'all can see. Y'all probably won't be able to see. There's no light in here for y'all to be able to even see. But let's see. Y'all can't really see, but all that dark is what's wet. So it's been leaking. It had to be leaking for a few days. I don't even know. I just decided to just come in here and I noticed that her little toy was wet, which I'll be tossing out today. Hey guys, so guess where I'm going in the midst of this beautiful day, sunny day, no rain, no anything. It's just great. I'm going home. I am going home. I'm excited. I miss my mommy so much. Y'all don't understand. And me and Corey decided that this is the perfect time to go because in the midst of Hurricane Harvey, people are still not even able to go to work. A lot of my coworkers aren't even showing up. I'm just like, let's just go. Callie's school not even up, so we won't have to pay for her not going to school. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just the perfect weekend to go. So I got my ticket last night and we leave tonight. Oh yeah, guys. I guess I will see you guys when I get on the plane.
What's up, everybody? Yo, we in INH Airport. It's currently August 31st.
Oh my gosh, you're doing the extra stuff.
The day after Hurricane Harvey, Tropical Storm Harvey. Got my camera. We're gonna be vlogging with
Do you
the
leave
Joneses.
this? Or?
We got Callie Jones here. Yeah, they're coming, right? We got Callie Jones here, Mika Jones, Corey Jones. Callie taking her first flight today, and it shall be lit. I am performing at D1079. So
are you gonna vlog?
Cleveland, Ohio, and it is going to be at the Q where the Cavaliers play. Everything will be recorded.
We'll see. made it home. I'm here safe and sound. So now I'm about to go find my sister and see if she's here, and we'll see you guys for the festivities later. So I made it to my mommy's job, and she was so surprised.
Very surprised.
Yeah. I will show y'all her, but she don't want to be seen.
No, I showed you.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot my tie.
Callie ain't thinking about me no more.
Look at this grandma being. See that fool?
It smells good in here.
See that? For a change.
But yep, I'm about to spend time with my mom, so I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
This is one in a day.
This is 9.
Yes. This is the love of my life right here.